How to delete a circle on Life360 app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Life360 app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the gear icon at the top left. Here, you'll find Circle Management. Click on Circle Management. Then, in here, you'll find all the peoples. You can simply delete the persons first. After you remove all the person, press on Leave Circle at the bottom. Press on Yes, and that circle will be deleted as there is nobody and you as the admin left. And this is how to delete a circle on Life360 app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.